Hello everybody. Welcome to Shiswad, a small beautiful village in India. Would you like to experience a day in a typical Indian village? In urban areas where people start their day to the mechanical sound of an alarm clock, in villages dawn still breaks with crowing of the rooster. But is that all? No, even women have woken up with the first rays of the sun. Do you hear that? Sound of a stone handmill? Women of the household have gotten up really early in the morning to grind the grains.
आली आली आगीन गाडी डब्या डब्यानी कुलूप आली आली आगीन गाडी डब्या डब्यानी कुलूप इथून दिसलं माझ्या बंधूचा मुलूक इथून दिसलं माझ्या बंधूचा मुलूक बापाला इनियाला मनतही जायाला बापाला इनियाला मनतही जायाला सासरा पाठवित नाही गमला माहेरी जायाला सासरा पाठवित नाही गमला माहेरी जायाला आली आली आगीन गाडी.
In the past, women used to sing beautiful songs to relieve the labor of this menial task. Most of the times, these songs used to be about their childhood. In those days, due to poor transportation facilities, once married women could hardly visit their parental home. These songs were a way for them to relieve those childhood memories.
इथूनच दिसे ग माझ्या बंधूचा मुलूक.
Now cleaning time. Let's sweep the house and the courtyard. Family members are getting up now. Time to make tea for them. Do you hear the clinking of the water pitchers? Women are hurrying to fetch water from the well.
हा थांब आता मला हांड जोडून राहतो लगेच काय करणार म्हणजे दोनच भरलं आता शिंपी.
It's time to feed the cows and milk them. It's cooking time now. Fresh spice is being made using the stone grinder. What a treat! Sabzi with pearl millet bread. Want a bite? Full and satisfied, farmers are on the way to the farms with packed lunch. Can you hear the bells? Even cows are on their way to meadows for grazing. See, farmers are so busy in the field. What a view! The relaxing sound of flowing streams, rustling of leaves, the beauty and the tranquility. Shishwad is the village situated on the foothills of the hill fort Harishchandragarh. Harishchandragarh is also the origin of river Mula.
असे उंच उंच पर्वत किती आहेत, असे उंच उंच पर्वत किती आहेत रे जिरे रे जिरे रे दाजी. हरिचंद्र आहे प्रख्यात, यांनी सत्व नाही रे दिले विश्वमित्रास जी. ऐशा हरिचंद्राच्या कृती, ऐशा हरिचंद्राच्या कृती रोहिदास स्मृती तारमती सती. या हरिचंद्राच्या नावी डंका गरजती जिरह्या जी जिरह्या.
What a view! The relaxing sound of flowing streams, rustling of leaves, the beauty and the tranquility. Wait a minute, where are all the kids? Oh, it's school time now. Let's go visit their school. But all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. School is over. Look how happy kids are. In the field, after lunch, farmers are catching a quick nap, a little rest, and they will be back to laborious field work. Women are at the riverside washing clothes. It's evening now. Tired farmers are returning home. Cattle too are on the way back. Once deserted roads are alive again. Women are already busy preparing dinner. Kitchen too is alive with a mixture of sounds and fragrance of cooked food. After dinner, all people get together in the village temple to sing religious songs and hymns. day that started with chirping of birds and crowing of cocks ends on a spiritual note. People of Shiswad, animals, birds, all are asleep now. Village is bathed in a brilliant moonlight and only audible sound is the chirping of the crickets.